Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This video is about how to solve numericals on neutralization titration. The reaction between acid and base is called as neutralization reaction. In a titration of acid and base, neutralization reaction is considered to be completed when the number of equivalents of acid becomes equal to number of equivalents of base, and the stage at which this relation is valid, number of equivalents of acid becomes equal to number of equivalents of base, that stage is called as equivalence point. So in a titration, at equivalence point, number of equivalents of acid will become equal to number of equivalents of base. The number of equivalents of acid or base in a solution can be calculated by using the formula NV, product of normality of the solution and volume of solution in liters. In this formula, N is normality of the solution, V is volume of the solution in liters. If the volume of solution is given in milliliters instead of liters, then there will be some modification in the formula. It will be NV by 1000. If volume of the solution is given in milliliters, then the formula to find out number of equivalents is NV by 1000. Suppose when an acidic solution is titrated against a basic solution, then the relation at equivalence point where neutralization reaction is completed is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. In this, N1 can be the normality of acid, V1 can be the volume of acid, and N2 can be taken as normality of base, and V2 can be taken as volume of the basic solution. But sometimes mass of the base or carbonate which is added to acidic solution will be given. If the mass of the base or a carbonate added to the acidic solution, if it is given, then the formula to find out number of equivalents if mass is given is mass in grams divided by equivalent mass. Then the relation between number of equivalents of acid and number of equivalents of base will be like this. Normality into volume in milliliters by 1000. This will give you number of equivalents of a solution, which is equal to mass in grams divided by equivalent mass, and this will give you number of gram equivalents of a substance whose mass is given. Now let us solve this question. A 25 ml of solution of HCl is neutralized by 0.25 grams of CaCO3. What is the normality of HCl? This question can be solved using the formula NV by 1000 is equal to mass by equivalent mass. This NV by 1000 can be used to find out number of equivalents of a solution. Here HCl solution is given, and mass by equivalent mass can be used to find out number of equivalents of a substance whose mass is given. Here mass of CaCO3 is given. In this formula, substitute the given values. Volume of HCl 25 ml is given, and mass of CaCO3 is 0.25 grams. Equivalent mass we don't know. Equivalent mass of CaCO3 can be determined by the formula molar mass divided by n factor. Molar mass of CaCO3 is 100 by n factor is 2. How will you get n factor? Calcium carbonate ionizes into Ca plus 2 CO3 minus 2. N factor of a salt is equal to charge on the ion. Charge on calcium ion is plus 2. So equivalent mass will be 100 by 2, which is equal to 50. So substitute these values. You will get 25N by 1000 is equal to 0.25 by 50. If you simplify this, you will get normality is equal to 0.2. Let us solve one more question. 5.3 grams of M2CO3 is dissolved in 150 ml of 1 normal HCl. Unused acid required 100 ml of 0.5 normal NaOH. What is the equivalent mass of M2CO3? In this, an acidic solution is given. To that acidic solution, a carbonate is added. But the neutralization reaction is not completed because we have some unused acid left out. And this unused acid is titrated against 100 ml of 0.5 normal HCl for completion of neutralization. It means this acidic solution is neutralized by metal carbonate and this NaOH solution. So number of equivalents of this acidic solution must be equal to sum of the number of gram equivalents of metal carbonate and number of gram equivalents of sodium hydroxide. So we can use the formula N1V1 by 1000 is equal to mass by equivalent mass plus N2V2 by 1000. Here this N1V1 by 1000 will give you number of equivalents of HCl solution, and mass by equivalent mass will give you number of gram equivalents of metal carbonate as mass of carbonate is mentioned here, and N2V2 by 1000 will give you number of gram equivalents of NaOH solution as a solution is given here. Substitute the values. Volume of HCl solution is 150. Its normality is 1 divided by 1000. Mass of M2CO3 is 5.3. Equivalent mass we need to find out. Normality of NaOH is 0.5. Volume is 100 ml. If you simplify this, 150 by 1000 will be 0.15. 100 into 0.5 by 1000 will get 0.05. So 5.3 by equivalent mass will be equal to 0.1. So you will get equivalent mass of M2CO3 53. So this is how we need to solve the numericals on neutralization titration. Thank you.